18 million user gone. Upwork just purged 18 million accounts. Fiverr is throwing AI to talent matching. And Toptal, it looks more like a modeling agency than a hiring platform. But here is the real question. Are businesses actually finding the right developer? Are developers actually finding the right opportunity?
Let's be real. Hiring developers shouldn't feel like gambling. You post a job, you get flooded with hundreds of applications, most of them not even close to what you need. So, you spend hours sifting through profiles, only to finally hire someone. And guess what? They just ghost you in 2 weeks. Or worse, the project drags on, deadline slips, and you are left picking up the pieces.
The problem is not a shortage of talent. The problem is the hiring process itself. Traditional platforms focus on volume, not quality. They make money when people apply, not when you find the right fit. And filtering through profiles, it's a nightmare because resumes don't tell you if someone is reliable, proactive, or a good communicator.
What if hiring developer wasn't a game? What if instead of gambling with applications, you had a platform with guarantee quality without the endless back and forth?
At CoderFarm, we were working on a better way. One that's built on real hiring challenges, not assumptions. We believe hiring shouldn't start with just a job post. It should start with understanding your actual needs. We are exploring ways to match companies with developers based on real collaboration potential, not just resumes. And most importantly, we want to create a process where businesses find the right people and the developers find the right opportunity without the usual hiring mess.
We are already seeing companies hire in half the time with better long-term fits. And developers, they love it because they get meshed with the companies that actually value their skills.
I've seen too many companies wasted months looking for the right developer, and too many great developers struggling to find the right job. It's time to fix that.
We are on a mission to rethink hiring, but we need your voice. Drop a comment below with your biggest hiring challenge or DM us if you have got a story to share. Let's start a conversation that actually leads to the change.